Airplane oil is going to be a lot thicker than what you're used to seeing in cars or whatever, and when it gets cold, it's even thicker. This is what you need to get through tiny passages in your engine to lubricate the bearings and the... Two things going on. One, can we even get the engine started if it's cold? The colder it is, the weaker the battery is going to be. It's just chemistry. And the thicker the oil is, the harder the starters are going to have to work to turn that engine over. And the colder it is, if you remember the air-fuel mixture, colder the air, the more fuel you need, and the harder it is for that fuel to atomize in order to make that air-fuel mixture ratio. So you're going to end up using a whole lot of prime, 10, 12 shots of prime even if it's cold enough. And then maybe you can get the engine going, maybe not. The second and probably more compelling reason you want to avoid cold starts and use an engine preheat if you have to is when the oil's cold, it's going to take a couple seconds. A couple seconds is all it takes for that cold oil to make it to pressurize and make it through the system. And until then, you're going to have metal on metal, and that's when 90% of the wear on the engine takes place. Once you're up to temperature and you got an oil film on everything, the metal isn't even touching. It's riding on a film of oil, and basically no wear is happening. It's that cold start. Like one good cold start is going to be more wear than 100 hours of flying around.